आज हम बनाएंगे लेमन सोडा और इसके लिए हमें चाहिए 4 ingredients and that is mint, two lemons and 7 spoon of sugar and ice and 1 can of soda. Now we'll pour in sugar, then mint, then lemon, then soda, and you have to take some water. Now we'll grind it. Then after grinding we will pour in soda, then ice. You can put as you wish the ice. Then you have to grind it again. Now we'll pour in the juice. Now our lemon soda is ready. It is very tasty and healthy. This is our lemon soda. You have to try it in iftar. It is very healthy and yummy. And we will also drink it in. Okay, so we have made it a lemon soda, and please subscribe my channel and like